In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Retell AI voice agent to n8n using a webhook. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable loop where a voice agent sends booking details to n8n, your workflow processes that data, and a clear response is sent right back to the caller. We'll start by receiving the voice agent's request. In n8n, add a webhook node. This node is what allows external services to securely send data into your workflow. Set the HTTP method to post, and set the path to Hotel Retell template. With that, your webhook URL will look like your domain/webhook/hotel retell template. Share this URL with your Retell voice agent's custom function so it knows where to deliver information. When a caller interacts with the agent, Retell will send structured details such as a guest name, a booking date, a requested room type, or a confirmation request. As soon as that post request hits the webhook, the workflow automatically starts running. If you're testing, open the node's test URL view in n8n so you can verify that the incoming payload is exactly what you expect. Next, prepare what you want to say back to the caller. Add a set node and name it something descriptive. For example, replace me. Set response. Inside this node, create a field called response. Give it a clear message like, your booking has been confirmed. That text is what the agent will read or process. This is also the perfect place to implement your business logic. The sticky note in the template is a reminder that you can branch out here. Look up availability in a database, consult an AI agent for phrasing, push details to a CRM, or call a booking system to actually reserve the room. You're not adding new steps to the workflow's structure. You're enriching this step so the response reflects real actions and accurate data. Finally, send the result back to the caller. Add a respond to webhook node and return the value from the previous step. The response body should include the field you set. For example, response equals, your booking has been confirmed. When this node runs, n8n immediately replies to Retell, and the voice agent will speak that message to the user. To recap the flow, the webhook receives the request from the voice agent, the set node prepares the message, and respond to webhook delivers it back. With this pattern, n8n becomes the back-end brain for your voice agent, giving you a clean, extensible foundation for hotel bookings and beyond.